So, moving on, as we know that we can do many things with only a print command. So now let's learn something new. Let's take a variable called x and constant with any number or any string value. So here I took the string value is 80. So the variable is x and constant is 80. It means that number 80 is stored in the variable x. So let's see that if Python can understand that number 80 is stored in variable x. So how to check? We can check this by giving a program called print x. As it is a variable, we as it is a variable, we don't need to give the quotes, and it's showing that the value of x is numeric 80. In the same format, there are many data types. So let's learn about them. First, let's make a list of them. So now as we have learned about variables and constant, so now let's see the other types of variables. There is another type of variable called global variable and local variable. So these are the two types of variable. Global variable. So let's see how these two variables work. Starting with the global variable, global. Global means overall. So it works for the overall program. And local variable. Local variable means it works only for a specific program which we are going to mention. So let's try this with an example. These are the examples for global and local variable. So as you see here, I have given a variable called x and given it a value called please subscribe. And when you are giving a value, it should be given in quotes so that it should print. And now moving on, we have given an code called def my function, which is called def my function. So as I have given only one variable and here I have given the two codes, so let's see what will it print. Let me comment this so that the other also won't print. So as you can see here, it's showing that please subscribe our other channel, Surichi Food channel, and please subscribe Python Web Developing. So as you have seen how it did print. And now moving on to the local variable. Moving on to the local variable. Local variable accesses only one code. As you have seen here, I'm commenting it, and as you have seen here, I have given only one variable and one value. So here the x value should be please subscribe. So I'm going to print this. Please subscribe Python Web Developing. So as you have seen here, global variable accesses two or more than two and one or more than one which will be accessed by global variable, and only one can be accessed by local variable. If you are accessing two or more than two, then it is called accessing using global variable. If you are accessing more than one, then it is called local variable. So in the next class, you will be learning about these topics: types of data types, text data types, numeric data types, sequence data types, mapping data types, set data types, boolean data types, and binary data types. So please stay connected and like, share, and subscribe our video and hit the notification button so that you can get our video when we post it.